Hello, hello, hello. This is the Holiday Helpings Hoop Blast. This is a little free preview. So, we're going to start with a little tiny warm-up. This is just a couple minutes. So grab a hoop, grab your hydration of choice. We're going to be just a couple minutes on this. We're just doing simple hand pass, and we're stepping, 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 stepping. Be nice and tall in the spine. Keep stepping, 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 stepping. Good, 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 good. And we're going to take a hoop up and down, and up, and down, and up, and down. Twist and twist, 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 twist. We're moving the feet, moving the feet, moving the feet, moving the feet. This is just a nice little preview. We're just taking the hoop around, 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 and around the other direction, around. Keep stepping, keep stepping, keep stepping. Nice and tall in the spine. Now we're going to take the hoop out forward, all the way up, all the way forward and down, all the way up. Stepping forward, stepping back, stepping forward. Keep the feet moving. Step forward and back, and forward and back. Okay. So we will get into some more fun moves, moving with the hips with this. So we're alternating the hoop side to side with the hips, keeping the feet moving. So if you can hear that, I'm trying to make loud feet noises. You do not have to make loud feet noises. So let's scoop it, scoop and slide, scoop and slide, scoop and slide, scoop and slide, scoop and slide. Doesn't matter what size hoop you have, grab whatever. The point is to do it. Take some nice deep breaths in and out, in and out, in and out. In and out, and in and out. Now cross behind with the leg, cross behind with the leg. So I'm crossing the leg behind, cross, 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 cross. Now we're going to take a little foot tap, 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 foot tap. Good. Okay, roll your shoulders out. Okay, that's your little snippet of preview. Now, if you ever grabbed a hoop with that, that's great. If not, grab a hoop, join me on the real one. All right, I'll have a link to this or message me, and I'll give you the link to the class. If you are part of the Happy Hooping Habit monthly membership, if you're a current member, you will have access to this already. You do not need to pay anything extra because it's already included for you. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed this free preview. Alright, rock on, peace out.